Compounding is the process of earning returns not just on your original money, but also on the returns that money has already made. You might also hear this called compound interest or compound growth, where the interest earns interest. Over time, this creates a snowball effect, where your money can grow faster the longer you leave it invested. Think of compounding like rolling a snowball down a hill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets, and the faster it grows. It's one of the most powerful ideas in personal finance, and it rewards patience. Why does it matter? Because the earlier you start saving or investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can build up if they're left to compound over many years. Compounding also helps your money grow faster than inflation, which slowly eats away at what your money can buy. This is why people often say, time in the market beats timing the market. It's not about having a big lump sum to begin with, it's about being consistent and giving your money time to work. Here's a simple example. Let's say you invest £1,000 at a 5% annual return. After 1 year, you'd have £1,050. That extra £50 is your return. In the second year, you earn 5% again, but now it's 5% of £1,050, not just the original £1,000. So you earn a bit more, £52.50, and the next year, even more than that. Over time, that difference really adds up. In 10 years, your £1,000 could grow to more than £1,600. Leave it for 20 years and it could be over £2,650. That's without adding anything extra. Just letting compounding do its thing. What else should you know? Compounding works best when you give it time and leave your money alone. Taking money out too often can interrupt the process and reduce your returns. It also helps if your returns are reinvested. For example, if you invest in a fund that pays out dividends, choosing to reinvest those dividends, instead of withdrawing them, keeps the compounding going. You can also add to your investment as you go. Let's say you invest £50 a month instead of just a one-off amount. Over 30 years, even with modest returns, this regular saving could grow into a surprisingly large sum, often several times more than what you put in. To see how powerful time is, consider this. If you start investing £100 a month at age 25 and stop at 35, your money might grow more than someone who starts at 35 and invests £100 a month until age 65, simply because you gave your money more time to compound. Compounding can work against you too. Credit card debt is a good example. If you carry a balance, interest builds on top of interest. That's compounding in reverse, where your debt grows unless you pay it off. To sum it all up, compounding growth is about earning returns on returns. It might start slow, but over time it builds momentum. Even small amounts can grow significantly if given enough time and consistency. It rewards patience, long-term thinking, and good habits like reinvesting and regular saving. Whether you're investing for retirement, your children's future, or just to build financial freedom, understanding compounding is key to making your money work harder over time. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.